East Africa program is powered by partners running on AWS, Amazon Web Services, and this is based on Open Data Cube technology. So the program was set up 4 years ago, and the learnings that we bring from this is that we started with a very good capacity development strategy, which we co-developed with ITC and various partners, and we've been focusing more of training of end users and working closely with our implementing partners in Africa, who are Agreemate, Afrigis in Nigeria, CSC in Senegal, OSS Tunisia, and Samadi in Kenya. And that has been on the beat of training of trainers. And the strengths we borrow from having an open data standards that our algorithms can be borrowed from any platform, and leveraging on the partnerships like Group on Earth observations, and especially the Geo Knowledge Hub, where we'll be having a series of seminars end of the month and towards April. So from the training that we've developed so far, we've also developed that of on-job training based on the program we've had with Data for Now with the UN Statistics Division, and this particularly in the case of Tunisia Statistics, where we engaged on 3 areas where they wanted to be trained on in terms of water access. This is SDG reporting, water extent, and also coastal erosion. And also we had another one which required Sentinel-5P, which we'll bring in later in the platform to support such kind of in-country engagement. So this on-job gives us the learning that people need to be engaged after the various trainings and also be supported in the core development of the various use cases. We bring in also close collaboration with the International Water Management Institute, where we started in Ethiopia, supporting the Digital Innovation Water Secure Africa program. And with this, we had a series of engagements. This is Ethiopia, Ghana, Burkina Faso, and Zambia. And from these, we've developed an online program in English and French, targeted on empowering the various stakeholders who are key in securing the water for secure Africa. Bringing the examples closer to the young people in terms of diversity and inclusion, we've been part of a program called Big Data School, funded by the National Research Foundation in South Africa, where I know Dan Spaceman has done some work also. And in this particular engagement, we had students from different countries using Digital Africa platform to create some of their solutions. So from this, we're able to learn more that in terms of the training materials that we have, also the tools that we need to co-develop, and the young ones are also giving us ideas of using AI and deep learning, which we saw in this particular engagement, from food security, weather forecasting, flood monitoring, looking at mangroves and urban. There's a lot of development when these young people are empowered. So the courses as we stand, and the year we have 16 courses. What you see on the screen are 9 because they are available in English and French. And in this particular year, we'll add more courses in terms of a wetland workflow, climate toolkit. As well, we continue to engage with our partners at International Water Management Institute to co-develop another set of modules based on the use cases that were developed. The learnings we get, some of the use cases might take short time, some might go up to 4 months, but the learnings we get is when we bring a lot of partners, we're able to co-develop and develop very good material. With Esri, where my partner, very good colleague Matthew is, we also have our tutorials on the Africa Geoportal, documenting how to access the DAfrica tools and data. And this year, we are also planning to add a module on a tutorial on coastlines, which the Digital Africa coastline is one of the best in Africa, covering 38 countries and showing over 20 years of data. Very key to unlocking the potential of coastal management. And this year also, we engaged with the Africa Women in GIS, virtual organization, where we're providing the training, 2 trainings, and then the women will be put in groups. These are early career persons. And for this training, we have had it in English and French, and also Arabic. And the last training will be actually done tomorrow evening. And from this cohort, we expect to have at least people who can be able to have the right skills, engage with them later in the future. I wish to thank the moderators and the participants as well, and I've sent the link to the chat so that we continue to engage and also looking at the various synergies in this particular workshop. Thank you so much.